is Friday, and today is Friday, March the 19th. Chicken nuggets, cornbread, and mashed potatoes.
I'm Mariah, and I'm going to bring you that Luthersville weather. Today will be cloudy, high 63, low 40. And I'm Mariah, and I just brought you that Luthersville weather.
My name is Chloe, and I bring you today's birthday. Today's birthdays are Madison Sewell. Happy birthday. Over the weekend, the birthdays are Leah Anderson, Soraya Walker, and Ariana Barber. Happy birthday.
My name is Taylor Face, and I'm coming to you virtually. The word of mine is courage. An example of courage is I love to draw, and sometimes I have a difficult time drawing my outlines about my picture. Today I wanted to draw a parrot, so my mom told me to go on YouTube and look up how to draw a parrot. I would have never knew if I would have had the courage to do it. And guys, how do you think it looks? Give me a round of applause. Bye guys, see you next time. Remember the word of the month is courage.
Focus, focus, listen, use your self-talk. Be assertive, focus, listen, use your self-talk. Be assertive, focus, listen, use your self-talk. Be assertive, this is the way we all can learn. This is the way we all can learn. First you focus, get your attention, use eyes and ears and brain. Now you listen, make sure you listen, use eyes and ears and brain. Use your self-talk, say I can do this, focus now. Be assertive, if you don't get it, just ask for help out loud.
Katherine Johnson was born in 1918 in West Virginia. She was a mathematician who sent people to the moon. She lived to be 101 years old, and she said, life is to do, then you will do your best.
Hey UES, Dr. Boyd, Mrs. Vickery, Mrs. Holloman, and I would like to give a huge shout out to our Lexia Superstars. These students have earned a certificate for completing an entire level of Lexia. Keep up the great work.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
Mask up, wash up, back up. As always,
be respectful,
be responsible,
and be safe.
Bye.